From the factory floor in China or the workshop in Thailand, the NBA Wilson game ball travels to the arenas where legends are made.
The box is opened, the certification card is verified, and for the first time since leaving the factory, the NBA Wilson game ball is touched by hands that will bring it to life.
One ball, one court, the center of the game. This is why the precision, the craftsmanship.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll take you inside and show you exactly how the official Wilson NBA game ball is made, step by step.
Every NBA Wilson game ball begins here, with the finest full-grain Horween cowhide leather. Eight precision-cut leather panels form the outer shell of each official NBA Wilson game ball. Each panel shape is engineered to exact specifications. A precision hydraulic die-cutting press stamps out all 8 leather panels simultaneously, ensuring every panel is identical in shape and size. 8 perfectly identical panels emerge from each press cycle, with edges so clean they require no secondary trimming. Each panel's edges are precision skived, thinned from both sides, so when 8 panels are hand-stitched together, the seams lay perfectly flat against the basketball's curved surface. A specialized contact cement is applied to each panel's prepared edges, and this bonding layer works together with hand stitching. Inside every NBA Wilson game ball lives a butyl rubber bladder, the pressurized core that gives the ball its bounce, its feel, and its consistent 8 psi inflation. Raw butyl rubber compound is loaded into precision spherical molds. Under heat and pressure, it will vulcanize into the perfectly round. Under 160 degrees Celsius and enormous pressure, the rubber vulcanizes. Its molecular chains from the mold emerges a perfectly formed butyl rubber bladder, airtight, uniformly thick, and ready to become the core of an NBA Wilson game ball. Any mold flash, excess rubber from the press parting line, is carefully trimmed from each bladder before quality inspection. Each bladder is inflated to NBA regulation pressure, 8 psi, and held for 24 hours. Any bladder that loses more than 0.1 psi is rejected. After passing their pressure test, bladders enter the winding department for lees, where thousands of meters of nylon thread are wound around each bladder. The automatic winding machine rotates the bladder in two axes simultaneously and evenly across every millimeter of the bladder's surface. After precisely 1,500 meters of nylon thread applied in 25 overlapping layers, the bladder is transformed into a dimensionally stable wound core. Every wound core is measured to within 0.1 millimeters of specification. NBA Wilson game balls must maintain a final circumference. A synthetic rubber carcass layer will be applied over the wound core, creating the structural foundation that gives. The synthetic rubber carcass is hand-applied to the wound core, stretched and smoothed to eliminate any air pockets that could compromise the ball's structural integrity. The rubber-wrapped core enters a second vulcanization mold phase, this time bonding the synthetic rubber carcass permanently to the nylon windings under controlled heat and pressure. The completed rubber carcass emerges, a perfectly round, bonded structure that will support the outer leather panels through an entire NBA season.
The carcass surface is precision sanded to create a perfect bonding profile. The micro-textured surface will grip the leather panel adhesive with maximum strength.
Contact cement is applied to the entire carcass surface, creating the chemical bond that, combined with precision stitching, will permanently unite. The Horween leather panels are now ready for assembly, their edges prepped with dried contact cement, their inner surfaces bearing the Wilson NBA official certification marks. The application of the 8 leather panels to the carcass is a moment that demands absolute precision. Once 2 cemented surfaces converge. The application of the 8 leather panels to the carcass is a moment that demands absolute precision. Once 2 cemented surfaces conversed. Following a precise panel placement sequence, all 8 Horween leather panels are applied one by one, each position to ensure the final stations. The 8th and final leather panel must fit with absolute precision. Its placement determines whether the seam lines will run true and wobbles. Excess leather from each panel edge is precision trimmed to create perfect, uniform seam gaps, each gap measuring exactly 4 millimeters. Welcome to the most skilled department in the entire factory, the hand-stitching floor. Every single seam on each master stitcher has their own calibrated workstation, every tool positioned identically to maintain consistent technique across every NBA Wilson game ball produced. A 7-tine pricking iron marks identical stitch hole positions on both leather edges simultaneously ensuring perfectly even stitch spacing of 4 mm. Each stitch hole is hand-pierced with an awl at a precise 45-degree angle. This creates a self-tightening geometry in the final stitch that actually pulls stronger under tension. The NBA Wilson game ball uses the saddle stitch, a two-needle hand technique used since the earliest days of leather craftsmanship.
Right needle through, left needle crosses, both pull tight. This motion, repeated 200 times per seam, creates the strongest hand stitch known to leathercraft. Each seam of the NBA Wilson game ball contain approximately 200 individual saddle stitches, with 8
sewers. At each seam end, the thread is locked off by backstitching through the final 3 holes, a termination technique so secure with seam 1 complete, the craftsperson begins seam 2, the same 200-stitch process repeated identically. 8 seams, 1,600 stitches.
4 hours and 20 minutes of skilled hand stitching compressed here and produce fully hand sewments.
After 1,600 hand-placed stitches, the master stitcher performs a personal quality inspection of every seam, checking spacing, tension, and alignment. Any stitch requiring reinforcement is addressed only by the master stitcher before seam burnishing brote. Using a bone tool, beneath every hand-stitch seam runs a narrow synthetic rubber backing strip, an unseen reinforcement layer that protects the thread from the internal pressure. Each seam is mechanically pressed to set the leather, thread, and backing strip into their final, permanent configuration. For the first time since stitching, the NBA Wilson game ball is inflated, and the leather panels must respond correctly, pulling tight across the carcass.
At 6 psi, 3/4 of NBA game pressure, every seam is visually and physically checked. Any seam showing thread separation, gap opening, or unusual flex is flagged.
At full NBA regulation pressure, the Wilson game ball must measure between 74.9 and 76 centimeters in circumference, measured in 3 planes, 600 and 623 grams. The official NBA game ball weight specification is between 22 and 22.5 ounces. The NBA requires Wilson game balls to bounce to between 49 and 54 inches when dropped from exactly 6 feet onto hard. The ball must bounce consistently regardless of orientation, proving that the weight distribution of the hand stitching, leather panels, and construction is perfectly uniform in every direction. After manufacturing and testing, the Horween leather surface is conditioned with Wilson's proprietary compound, restoring the natural moisture balance. The basketball's characteristic pebbled surface texture is pressed permanently into the Horween leather surface using hardened steel texture die. The basketball's characteristic pebbled surface texture is pressed permanently into the Horween leather surface using hardened steel texture die. Before pressing, a silicone release agent is applied to prevent the leather from adhering to the steel texture dies, allowing the textures. Under 50 psi of pneumatic pressure, 122 hardened steel points per square centimeter press permanently into the holes. The pebble pattern is pressed with extraordinary precision. 122 texture points per square centimeter create the grip surface that allows NBA players to.
The ball is rotated 180 degrees rear, the second hemisphere, and under the die plate for an identical pressing cycle.
With both hemispheres pressed, the NBA Wilson game ball surface is now fully textured. 42,000 individual.
The official Wilson NBA game ball graphics are applied using precision pad printing, a technique that transfers ink onto the.
The Wilson W wordmark is applied in genuine gold ink, followed by the NBA official game ball designation in black and the league authentication marks. Freshly printed logos must cure under controlled infrared heat, rotating slowly to ensure even heat distribution across the ink surface. A clear UV cure sealant is applied over the logo graphics and leather surface, an invisible protective layer that preserves the Wilson. The UV cure sealant is hardened in seconds by high-intensity ultraviolet light, creating a molecular-level bond. Under ultraviolet inspection light, the sealant coverage becomes visible. A uniform fluorescent response confirms complete, even protection across every square centimeter. Every NBA Wilson game ball must pass through a formal 6-stage final quality inspection process before it can be considered for NBA certification. Visual inspection under multi-angle lighting reveals surface defects invisible to the naked eye. Each of the 1,600 saddle stitches is examined for consistent spacing, thread tension, seam alignment, and tip lock-off integrity. The final pressure retention test runs for 24 hours. NBA specification requires the ball to lose no more than 0.1 psi over this period. After 24 hours, 7.97 psi. A pressure loss of just 0.3 of surface grip is quantitatively measured using a tribometer SIS. The friction coefficient of the Horween leather surface must fall within NBA specification. A 3D structured light scanner captures over 2 million surface data points on the NBA Wilson game ball.
The deviation map shows 2 marginally elevated zones near seam junctions. These are expected and acceptable.
Endurance. The impact durability test drops the NBA Wilson game ball from 3 meters onto a hardened steel plate, generating an impact. The final cosmetic inspection, the sixth and last, examines the ball as NBA players and referees will see it. Every NBA Wilson game ball that passes quality inspection is registered individually in the official NBA game ball certification system.
6 tests, 6 passes. The senior inspector signs the quality record and applies the official approval stamp.
Each ball receives a unique certification serial number, written in permanent UV-stable ink near the valve stem. The official NBA certification mark, applied only after passing every quality and dimensional test, is the final manufacturing mark placed on the ball. Before reaching NBA arenas, each game ball undergoes a final referee preparation process to ensure every ball arrives at the arena in the exact condition required for gameplay. Final inflation to exactly 8.0 psi, the pressure that every NBA referee verifies before each game. Not 7.9, not 8.1, 8.0. A preliminary break-in treatment begins the leather's natural softening process, replicating the first minutes of warm-up handling that referees and players use before tip-off.
The final feel assessment, 3 dribbles, 3 bounces, 1 complete rotation in the hands. This one is.
The final clean taste, distilled water on premium microfiber SU, removes every trace of handling from the manufacturing and certification process. The Wilson NBA official game ball box is engineered to protect the ball during transportation, while presenting it with the prestige worthy of the NBA's official game ball.
Each NBA Wilson game ball is accompanied by its individual certification card, Ikirkro, a permanent record of authenticity.
A final barcode scan registers the ball's departure from the Wilson facility. From this moment, the ball's journey to an NBA arena floor has begun. The official Wilson NBA game ball packaging is enclosed in a protective shipping carton cloth, designed to withstand the rigors of transportation to NBA arenas.
From a raw Horween leather hide in the morning, to a certified NBA official game ball ready for shipping by...
And that is how the official NBA Wilson game ball is made. From raw Horween leather to a certified game ball, ready for the brightest arenas in the world.
Horween full-grain cowhide leather, a natural material whose microscopic texture provides the foundational grip that NBA players rely on. Each hide is unique, every ball individual. 1.2 millimeters in diameter, 0.4 millimeters deep. Where 4 panels meet, the hand stitching reaches its most critical point. This intersection defines the structural integrity of the NBA game ball.
The journey begins with the finest full-grain Horween leather, selected, inspected, and precision cut into the 8 panels that will form the outer shell of the NBA Wilson game ball. The heart of the ball, a butyl rubber bladder vulcanized into a perfect sphere, then wrapped in 1,500 meters of precision tension nylon thread, 4 hours of hand stitching, 1,600 individual saddle stitches, 42,000 pebble impressions pressed into the leather surface. The NBA Wilson game ball takes shape. Tested for pressure, bounce, roundness, and grip. Inspected, certified, and officially approved for NBA gameplay.
From the factory floor in China or the workshop in Thailand, the NBA Wilson game ball travels to the arenas where legends are made.
The box is opened, the certification card is verified, and for the first time since leaving the factory, the NBA Wilson game ball is touched by hands that will bring it to life. 1 ball, 1 court, the center of the game. This is why the precision, the craftsmanship, and the quality matter. Wilson, the official ball of the NBA. Engineered for the highest level of play. Crafted for the love of the game.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this inside look at the NBA Wilson Game Ball Factory, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more videos like this. See you in the next one.